Welcome back everybody. In today's video we're going to be doing feeding all the birds, and I'm going to be showing you how to tell the difference between a cockbird and a hen. So let's get into it. First of all, we're going to feed the birds. As you can see, all the birds were pretty hungry this morning. Here's everyone coming. So I have pretty big plans about I'm really thinking about selling all the racing pigeons I don't like and the ones I don't want to breed off. I was thinking about selling them and only keeping back around 5 or 4 pairs of my best racing pigeons, and I'm really thinking about building basically another loft, a smaller loft, but it's gonna be more of a bigger breeding box. There's the big man there. They're all looking to get out at the minute because it is nice and warm in here. As you can see, all the birds are mostly eating. And make sure to comment and like the video if you liked it. And here's the cockbird I was talking about yesterday, who's paired up to a beautiful white hen. If I can find her, yep, she's right there. As you can see, got the wee splash of brown on her forehead. And here's their egg. I've sort of made a wee nest for the egg because I've noticed that none of my birds actually make a nest. I don't know why, so if anyone can help me out, please leave it in the comments. And I'm gonna show you now the difference between a cockbird and a hen. So as you can see, I'll show you this way. So this here blue bar is trying to take over the nest. I'll show you him right now. He's my favorite blue bar cockbird. And as you can see, the best way I can tell the difference between them is the big nose that the cockbirds have. And the cockbirds are mostly nice and big. And yeah, there's just a way I can really tell it. But there are a couple of tricky birds that are a bit hard to tell. As you can see, there's this here black cockbird. I actually bought it as a hen. I was told by nearly all of my friends that it's a hen, and it turned out that it's not a hen. It's a cockbird, but I don't think it's a purebred racing pigeon because the size of him, well, he's sort of the size of a hen racing pigeon, but he isn't as big as a racing pigeon cockbird. As you can see, here's my blue bar hen, and I'm really hoping to pair her up to the cockbird I have, my favorite blue bar cockbird, who is in there. That's his nest there. He's chosen that one, and here's the cockbird that he actually paired up to. It was a wee bit of a funny story, but they paired up to each other. These two did, and he was the hen in the relationship, and he was the cockbird. But that there can happen sometimes with everyone. So what I was really thinking about is, as I was telling you, to make a separate area for my favourite racing pigeons, and I'm going to probably sell the ones I don't like, or I was thinking about making a smaller loft and locking all of these, like, I would call them street pigeons because I actually trapped these guys, and as you can see, they're not racing pigeons. They're just regular mixes of pigeons that have got out, bred, and you know, they're not purebred birds, but as you can see, they're a beautiful colour. I actually love birds that have white flights. Their full wing doesn't have to be white, but there sort of needs to be white in the wings. So I'll try and catch one of these guys here, and then I can show you what I mean by the white flights. But as you can see, she does have some brown in the wings, so I'm really looking to keep her. I'm really looking to keep her because I think she can make some really nice wee pigeons if I breed her to probably the exact same colour. So this was for today's video, and I'll see you next video. Bye.